Hello students, today's lesson is about living or non-living things. The learning objective is students will be able to sort and classify living and non-living things based on whether they have basic needs and produce offspring. Let's start. Living things move on their own. Living things breathe. Living things need food and water to live. Living things grow and change. Living things reproduce. Reproduce means they make more just like themselves. For example, when a mom has a baby, or when a duck has ducklings, or when a cat has kittens. Non-living things do not move on their own. They do not breathe. They do not need water and nutrients. They do not grow and change, and they do not reproduce. Always remember this. Living things eat, breathe, grow, and reproduce. In the picture right here, you can see that living things could be a giraffe, grass, the lady, the bird. Non-living things do not eat, do not breathe, do not grow, and do not reproduce, like the scissors, the water well, the pie, or the rocks. Okay, so now let's get to the questions. Okay, these questions are going to be pretty easy. Living or non-living things. Determine if the images are living or non-living. Okay, number 1. Do you think lions are living or non-living things? Number 2. Do you think dollar bills are living or non-living things? Number 3, 2 kids. Do you think kids are living or non-living things? Number 4, an airplane. Do you think an airplane is a living thing or a non-living thing? Number 5, tree. Do you think a tree is a living thing or a non-living thing? 6, a boat. Do you think a boat is a living thing or a non-living thing? Number 7, a nurse. Do you think a nurse is a living thing or a non-living thing? Number 8, do you think pigs are living or non-living things? Number 9, do you think candles are living or non-living things? And the last one, number 10, do you think babies are living things or non-living things?